We are here at the Computer Suites here in Mishawaka, and we have an Otis elevator here to ride. Nice. We have a Series 1. Nice. Now, I don't know how many times I've driven by this place, not knowing this hotel has an elevator, but it's interesting. Just notice. Let's go back up 2. If we can close the door. Door close button never works. Hey, phone. Takes a while for the door to open. Whoa. It's a nice elevator. Series 1. Send you up. It's a nice hotel. I like early 2000s. It's rather unusual that there's a fire service. Obviously, it's a 2-story hotel, but still. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.